All right, we are at the Delta Hotel by Marriott at the Indianapolis airport in Indianapolis. And wow, these things fly.
7th floor.
Well, these are like somewhat brand new. I don't know when this place was built. Oh wow, look at that. These are Murphy. These are pretty cool.
1st floor.
We'll tow one more ride. These things are quick.
Floor.
You can see Interstate 70 right there. I don't know, this is a nice hotel. Might be waiting for a second. So really nice view. There's Interstate 70. Looks like these are the only hotels. One's here. Oh, this is the service elevator. Who knows what these used to be? Don't know. This is a pretty decent mod. I'm overall pretty impressed.
1st floor.
There it goes. That'll be it.